What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Lunchtime Lotto. I got 5 of these 20 extra $2 game pieces here, scratch offs. We're gonna see. Watch me go down in flames. I usually don't win, so my misery is your enjoyment. Here we go. All right, 23, 7, and 13. 18, nope. 15, nope. 1, nope. 19, nope. 26, nope. 28, nothing. 17, 14, 3, and 21. True to form, no winner here. Okay, so that's one. They say that every 1 out of every 3 or every 5 ends up winning. So let's see what this is. 1 out of every 4.95. So basically 1 out of every 5. I bought 5. Let's see how true it is. That was number 1. That's number 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, here we go. 27, 19, and 23. 14, 25, 18, 21, 17, nada. 12, 5, 1, 16, and 13. Nothing. True to form. All right, let's see if number 3 is a lucky winner. 5, 21, and 28. 13, 24, 12, 15, 26, 23, 4, 8, 19. Ooh, I got a winner. With my luck, this baby will be $2. Okay, so I'm gonna put that one off to the side. Wait till the end. Hey, I'm feeling lucky. Hardly ever win. All right, next one, 23, 12, and 4. 1, 14, 25, 3, 6, 16, 18, 11, 29, 17. No winner here, no winner. All right. And the last one. This thing doesn't want to rip off. Rip that one off. How cool would it be if it was a 30,000? Oh, sorry. 12. 7. Oh, I got another winner. All right. Man, this is my lucky day. I might get $4 back out of the 10 that I spent. All right, 17, that's 1. Ooh, another one, 12. Never had 2 and 2. Another one, 12. Wow. 17, 12, and 12. 17. Is this one of those where you win every single one? Nah, it can't be. 5. What is going on here? 12.
I bet they're all $2.
Stop. 12. 5. I've never gotten this. Never even win. Wow.
Wow.
Look at that.
Okay, let's do this one first.
Look, I'm just happy because minimum prize is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Minimum that I want here is already $20 because that's the lowest denomination. $2 is the lowest price you can win. I want to put this one off to the side. OMG. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this measly one winner gives me. 28, okay. Oh, $5, $5. All right, so we're up to $5. I don't even want to scratch it off. This is so awesome. Okay, breathe in. Here we go. Ready? 2. Okay. 4. Okay. 6. 8. $10. All right. I broke even. Actually, I'm $2 up, right? Because I spent $10. And this is already 10 here, plus this is 12. So I'm already up $2.
15.
Oh, sorry, 5. That's true. This is 5. That's 15. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me see, make sure this thing is still. Ooh. Okay. Come on. Give me 1,000 or something. I don't care. 2. That's 12. 14. 16. I'm just happy that I actually won. I'm not gonna lose this time. Okay. 18. And the last one. All right, 20. Hey, this is so weird. I had never had I ever gotten this at all. Well, even a broken watch is right twice a day, huh? That's cool. I guess it's never happened to me before, so I don't even know what to say. All right, this has been the Smoking Beer. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go cash in this $20 bill right here. 20 and 5 is 25. Woohoo! Winning! Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next time.